Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how you can film slow motion on your iPhone. The first and easiest way to shoot slow motion on your iPhone is to use the slow motion feature in the normal camera app. This takes away a lot of the control that you would normally get when taking a high frame rate video and slowing it down in post. You have two different frame rates to choose from when using the iPhone camera app. You have 120 frames per second at 1080 or 240 frames per second at 720. I'd highly recommend using the 120 frames per second at 1080 as this gives you a good balance of quality and slowness. This method is easy to use and doesn't require a lot of experience to use. But if you're looking for more control, don't worry, I have something just for you. If you want more control but still want to take your slow motion video with the iPhone camera app, there's something that you can do. What you need to do is take your slow motion video using the slow motion function and then plug your iPhone into a Windows or Linux computer, just as long as it's not Apple, and go into the DCIM of your iPhone. You can find your video file and you'll see that it's at the desired frame rate that you filmed it at, but it's not been slowed down yet. You can then take this video into your editing software of choice and slow it down just the way you want it. Another way to get high frame rate video for your slow motion without using the iPhone camera app is to download a third-party app and use it. The app that I'm using is called Pro Camera, and it allows you to use 120 and 240 frames per second video without slowing it down for you. This gives you a lot more control in post. A few good frame rates that you can use for your slow motion is 120 and 240 frames per second. These give you smooth slow motion and don't take up a huge file size. But if you're limited on either frame rate or file size, you can also use 60 frames per second and slow it down by half, and you'll get a 24 frames per second video look. Using your newfound slow motion skills on your iPhone, you can then go and potentially shoot B-roll with your iPhone. I have a video already made about how to shoot B-roll on your iPhone. I'd highly recommend watching it as it will help you out. I'll link it right here. Well, that's it for today. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.